right, hey everybody, Michael Judd here, Paw Paw Ambassador. We've just brought in 6 different cultivars from our food forests of Paw Paws. We got Wabash, NC1, Prolific, Tay2, Sunflower, and Overlease. These are 6 of 25 different varieties that we grow here at Long Creek Permaculture Site in the Blue Ridge Mountains. There is a Paw Paw for every occasion, for every taste bud. It goes from very light and sweet and melony all the way to more complex, rich mango, banana, sometimes a little bit of butterscotch caramel, touch of vanilla in there. The Paw Paw is phenomenal in general, but then you can really get specific with your cultivars, both for how much seed to pulp there is in each one. The texture, is it more of a cottage cheese or is it more of like a creamy avocado? What flavor profiles do you like? Size, I mean, it's an amazing world. There's at least 40 cultivars in the nursery industry, and there's more than 100 out there that different private individuals are growing. But we've definitely begun to find the ones that are top notch. So stay tuned. Join the Paw Paw online course for the love of Paw Paws to learn all about this fantastic species and fruit. See you there.
Such a little